this session we're going to look at individual cells, how to activate them, how to enter data into them. Okay, how to make a cell active. One of the ways is to just click on a particular cell. Once a cell is active, it is highlighted. Now if I press the Tab key, I can move the active cell one cell to the right. If I press Shift and Tab, it'll move to the left. If I press the down arrow, it will move down, and the up arrow moves it up. The return key also moves the active cell down one. Now you can see that when I move the active cell, in this case with the mouse, the a letter and number in this area here is changing. This is known as the name box, holds the name of the currently active cell in it, and the cell is referenced by its a column, which will be a letter, and its row, which will be a number. So this cell here, which is currently active, is cell D3. The D is highlighted in orange, and the 3 is highlighted also in orange. That helps you if you've got a big spreadsheet trying to establish which is the active cell. So again, if I click on move the active cell to B3, the B is highlighted and the 3 is highlighted. So now let's think about how we might enter data into different cells. Again, there's a number of different options. So I could in B3 just have it highlighted and type in, let's say, 67. That goes straight in. That's one way to do it. Another way to do it is to highlight the cell and then go up to the formula bar and enter 67 there. It appears in the active cell. So that's a couple of options for entering data into that particular cell. If we want to enter a column of numbers, I could have 67 in there. I press return, go down one, 34 in there, press return again, 45. I'm creating a column of numbers by pressing return after I've entered data into each of the cells. Now let's think about how we might change the numbers in a cell. So suppose I want to change the number in cell D4 from 34 to 48. I can select that cell and go up to the formula bar and enter 48. That's changed it. And now let's suppose I want to change it back. I can go to the cell, double click on the cell, and then the form of the pointer changes to what's called an I-beam, and I go back. I can then edit directly into the cell, type in the number 34, click return, and the number is changed. You can also use the tick icon to enter data into a particular cell. So suppose that I make F4 the active cell, I go to the formula bar and click 56, say, then to the left has appeared a tick icon, and once I click on it, 56 has been entered into the cell. If I thought that 56 wasn't the correct number to enter in this cell, I can tick the cancel icon, which is beside the tick icon here, and that cancels